Conceived under the Lagos Urban Regeneration Strategy, the Maryland Opebi-Ojota link bridge and approach roads was designed to create a seamless connection between the bustling Opebi, Maryland and Ojota corridor. Flagged off in 2022 by Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, this project is being handled by Mrs. Julius Berger Nigerian PLC, known for their precision and durability. It's been a long journey from groundbreaking to guilders, but the wait is almost over. The Maryland Opebi-Ojota link bridge, one of Lagos State's most strategic and iconic road infrastructure projects, is now nearing completion, and it promises to ease traffic gridlock in one of the city's most congested corridors. Today, I'll be showing you guys the footages and updates on what's been done, what's left, how the bridge connects each other, and what this bridge means for you, the commuters.
Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I'm at the Ojota Opebi link bridge and approach road, and I'm here to show you an update about the construction. Presently, it seems construction have stopped because the project is almost rounding up. So I'll be showing you what has been done and what is left on the project. So guys, stick around as I show you around this massive infrastructure to see how it's now shaping up. This project actually started, I think, around 2022. If I'm not mistaken, January 2022 was when the groundbreaking for this project started, and now the project is almost completed. I think from the ratings of what I've seen, this should be around 85 to 90% complete, if I'm not mistaken. So I'll be showing you guys around to see this iconic project and how it's going to be transforming this whole environment, including Opebi, Ojota, and also it cuts across the Ikorodu Road. So guys, stick with me as I show you around this massive project.
This right here is the entrance coming from Ojota to connect into the Maryland Opebi-Ojota link bridge and the newly constructed approach roads. From this point, you've got a few options. If you are heading back to Ojota, you can make a quick turn at the first ramp just a few meters ahead. But if you stay on the road and go straight, you can make a right turn that connects you directly to the bridge leading to Opebi.
So as you can see, this section of the road, there's already asphalt on this section of the road. So probably what is just left at this section of the road is just the road markings that is left right here at this section, and probably some finishing touches. They still need to put road signage as well. No direction yet, no signage yet. So those are the things left.
Now I'm taking a walk down the bridge to show you guys exactly where the first ramp is, which is the one for vehicles heading back towards Ojota.
Right there is the ramp for vehicles heading back towards Ojota. So you are going to make use of that ramp, and for vehicles going to Maryland, you head straight in this direction. You can see the road is blocked here as well, so you head straight in this direction if you are heading to Maryland or if you are heading to Opebi as well.
Now this is the exit ramp. It serves vehicle coming from Opebi or Maryland, as well as those from Ojota heading towards Maryland who needs to make a U-turn to the other side of the road. This bridge section here is critical. It's where all vehicles will exit to go back towards Ojota. The exit point lands at New Garage bus stop, and though it's still blocked off for now, once open, it will allow traffic to reconnect to Ikorodu Road, heading to Ojota, K2, Mile 12 and beyond. It will also serve as a route for vehicles heading towards the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway. On the left, you have traffic coming from Opebi and Maryland, while the right handles traffic coming from Ojota towards Maryland, especially those trying to cross to the other side of the expressway.
This is one of the iconic projects I started following from inception, and now it's almost completed. So you can check all the previous updates of how it was shaping up on my channel when construction was still ongoing. So guys, let's go ahead and see what is happening on this project.
While walking through this section, I noticed something. A part of the bridge was already flooded. Even though it hadn't rained on the day I recorded this, the last rainfall was about 2 days earlier. This is the issue. The water didn't rise high enough to reach the drainage hose, which means the road is still sitting below the level of the drain. But this isn't likely to be a long-term problem. Once the final asphalt layer is laid, it will raise the road level enough for water to naturally flow into the drain and clear off the surface.
So as you can see, this section of the road, there's already asphalt on this section of the road. So probably what is just left at this section of the road is just need to put road signage, road markings, and 1 or 2 finishing touches that will actually be on this road. From what I can see, that is what is left on this part of the road. Now I am at this part where the asphalt just stopped, and that is just it behind me. And you can see this is just the concrete bridge. No asphalt has been put on this part of the bridge yet. Hopefully that will be done soon.
Now heading further towards Maryland Opebi section, I noticed workers actively installing road signage. You can see one of the signage already mounted in place. And here we are at the intersection that ties everything together. This is where it gets interesting. Vehicles from Ojota heading to either Opebi or Maryland pass through here. On the other side, you get vehicles from Opebi heading to Maryland or Ojota, and it also connects vehicles from Maryland heading to Opebi. It's a triangular traffic connection point, and it's been designed to eliminate long detour and unnecessary traffic lights.
So heading towards Opebi, I think this part of the road is actually where a lot of work is almost rounding up. You can see there's a lane marking, the culverts are already being painted, and the road is marked, the street light is installed, just as this other side of the culvert is not being painted. So this is the road leading to Opebi. So for the vehicles heading back towards Maryland, so you have to make use of your right hand side. You have to stay on your right of the ramp if you're heading to Maryland, and there's another ramp underneath the bridge which is going to be connecting you back to the other side of the road. So as I was saying, this part of the road leads directly to Opebi, while this is where you are going to be taking a turn back to Maryland. And something I loved about this part of the road, I don't know, is a bicycle lane. You can see a dedicated bicycle lane right here, and we have the pedestrian walkway right here, and the road is just actually right here. So this is lovely. So guys, if I'm not mistaken, this is actually the first time I'm seeing a bicycle lane on a construction of a new road in Lagos. So this is lovely. It's a bike lane, and we have the pedestrian walkway by the side, and we have the road just at the other side. You can see it's being separated, which means they are putting consideration for safety for bikes as well on this road. But you can still see the painting is still ongoing at this side, while the other side is already completed. So let me move back and head back to the road, so I'll be able to show you the other side as well. So guys, this Opebi side of the road, I think this should be like 95% completed, because from what I can see here, what is actually remaining is just painting on some few parts of the culverts and probably road sign. Apart from that, every other thing right here is completed. So which means this part of the bridge is actually around 95% done. So that is what I can see. You can see this side is painted, just like we have this side as well painted, and you can see the road markings is done, but no street sign here. The street lights, you can see it's done, but the bicycle lane, I think the painting is being done on the bicycle lane as well. That is where we have the painting being done presently. But on the main carriage road, both ways, the painting is actually completed. What I can just see missing right there is just the road signage and road direction. That's just all. The whole place is getting empty. We have less staff here because construction work has drastically reduced, because it's almost rounding up. So we just have less staff here doing the finishing touches on this project. So guys, I'm almost towards the end of the Opebi road, and I'll be showing you how that place look like. So for those coming from the Sheraton Link Road, you can actually connect this road, which is going to be taking you towards the other side. So you can see the painting. Just one of the staff there doing the painting. That's just one of the painters there, just painting the culverts, which is the other side for the bicycle lane.
One very important part of this project still under construction is the canal system. This canal will help mitigate flooding across the entire corridor. The canal will be linking Odo-Iyalaru, which was the river taking care of the stormwater within this area. With a proper canal system being constructed, the goal is to permanently manage stormwater and protect both the road and surrounding communities from recurring floods.
So guys, that's all I have to show you on the current progress and current status of the Opebi-Ojota link bridge and approach roads, as the construction is almost rounding up. Hopefully the next time I'm here, this road should be in use, so we might probably be taking a drive around the road to see how it's all connecting to each other. So guys, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates on infrastructural projects happening within the country. Stay blessed and see you in my next video. Thank you guys.